App QR code setup. Turn on the power switch on the back of the camera. Open the ZUMIMALL app. Tap Add Device. Select the P10 model from the Intelligence Doorbell list. Press and hold the reset button until you hear bugle sound, then release. Wait for the red light to flash slowly. Follow the network setup tips and tap Next. Connect to 2.4G Wi-Fi and enter the correct password. Use the camera to scan the QR code in the app. A beep sound indicates a successful scan. Wait for the device to connect. The camera indicator light turns blue, indicating successful setup. Begin using the camera after following the installation recommendations.